Amazing chicken wings with a garlic mojo seasoning and sauce. Dude!
Why do you say it like that?
What, say it like what?
Wings. Chicken wings.
Did I say it like that?
I don't know.
I didn't mean to say it like that.
Chicken wings.
Wings.
Chicken.
Hot dog.
And
Bologna?
Bologna.
That's a bunch of bologna.
bunch of bologna.
Hey guys, welcome to the set. I am CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Here's my team.
Hey.
I'll let you decide which one's your favorite.
What's up? Not me.
Exactly.
Wow.
Woo! Today I'm gonna show you guys a fun one. Some garlic mojo chicken wings. Super simple, crazy amounts of flavor. You're welcome. So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show. So I went to the grocery store, and by me I mean Nate.
Dude,
And
quit messing
I needed
Drums
some.
are better.
I needed some chicken wings. Okay, he might not have a name on the show, but individual over here whose name is Andy because he agrees with me. Wings, flats, or the drums?
Always flats.
Always flats.
Always drums.
Always flats.
Always blue. Always blue. Always blue.
Always blue, always blue, always blue, always blue, always blue.
Flats.
Always flats?
Always flats. Always flats.
Always all flats.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't even waste my time with the drums.
But
You are today.
But I've got and you're gonna waste your time too. Welcome to the party.
glad to ruin the show.
That's right. Hey, so I've obviously grocery store. We got some wings here. Flats.
I work with flats if that's your thing.
what we're gonna be. That's what we're gonna be working with. I'm creating a first layer crust here. I would go down with the garlic mojo seasoning from Blackstone, but there's sugar in it,
Oh.
so I don't want to burn my wings, and sugar will burn. So I'm getting a nice coat of salt and pepper, some garlic powder,
Oh, it smells great already.
and some paprika. I know.
Paprika? You gotta have paprika?
I'm gonna do a little bit more garlic powder and a little bit more paprika because,
Paprika.
Bless you.
oh, gesundheit. See, that's the crust I'm looking for, boys.
Crust.
That's,
Yeah,
but you know what?
crust. Totally. Just eat them now. Chicken tartare.
Whatever, jerk. All right, come over here. Got my Blackstone on medium, low to low, because these are gonna take a second to cook, boys.
Low to low.
Low.
Right is a little higher.
On to the griddle we go. Spread them
Oh,
out, make
yeah.
some room. You don't want to crowd your chicken wings.
Give them some space.
Give them a little bit of space. Obviously this has taken no time to season these guys, but the longest part is just gonna let them get a nice crust. I'm also gonna be adding some juices, some fresh juices.
Juices?
From oranges and limes. Not doing that right now either. And now we're hanging out. It's
Easy.
that awesome and that amazing. So since we have some time, I figured we could ring in the new crew.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
if you're a new subscriber, let me know down in the comments below. We will get a chance to highlight you. So today we've got, let's see here. We've got Dwayne Gibson.
Dwayne Johnson?
Yep. And we've got Krissa A649.
Hey, Krissa.
And we have got M.
Night Shyamalan.
Ha Rice.
What a twist!
M. Haraisco.
Bless you.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
Good callback.
So we'll be back. This chicken's gonna need some time. See you in a few. Probably like 5 minutes we'll flip these. It's been about 5 minutes, dude. Let's see if we've got some crust. Oh, there we go. We're starting to see some color. That is exactly what I'm looking for. This is
Tommy like wings.
Okay, dang it. Why didn't any time I've done wings, I always forget to make
here
that
for you.
reference. And you always make it.
Oh! I killed it!
Dude, see that? Oh, bro, that is what I'm talking about.
If you haven't done chicken wings on your griddle yet, you're missing out.
Yeah, because it is a winner all day long.
Is it a winner chicken
dinner?
Yeah!
Whoa.
God, you're sick.
Let's talk about a special sauce, dude.
How special?
Pretty darn, it's like Ethan's special.
Hey.
If it was up to Ethan, ranch only. This guy, he
Keep
lives.
going.
Oh,
Really?
Keep going.
okay, that's all.
Do you eat ranch with your pizza, Ethan?
What else do you eat pizza with?
Not ranch.
No, absolutely not. So we've got some of the garlic mojo. Now, it's got some sweet, it's got some heat. It is so yummy if you have the means.
I highly recommend picking one up.
Yep, got some orange juice in here. This is gonna thin it out, but also add to that sweetness with a little bit
I dig.
of acidity. And then we've also got some lime juice that's gonna go really well with all of
That's
these.
a pulpy lime.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm a fan of the pulp.
I like it a lot. Pulp. And because it tastes good, because it's sterile,
And I like the taste. Okay.
because, dude, there's two kinds of people in this world.
Those who
Like
like
Neil
Neil
Diamond.
Diamond and those who are wrong. Right. I never get it.
It's gotta be your bowl.
Oh.
So,
Put as much or as little as you like. That's it, my friends.
Good looking. So it's just like a,
It's
as
just-
Betty would
it's a
say,
garlic mojo
zhuzhed up ranch.
It's absolutely, you know what, it probably could use a little bit more.
I told ya.
Nobody listens to you at all. Oh, good one, George.
Wow.
All right. Hey CJ, did you know?
Dooby dooby doo, where are you? We got some work to do.
It was pretty good. It was.
That was
It-
really bad.
It was not bad. You all suck.
Did you know? Did you know that the voice actor for Fred has been playing that character for 50 years?
No way.
Yeah, his name is Frank Welker, I think.
So it's not Fred.
No.
Welker. I like it.
What?
Good.
Okay.
Way to go, Ethan. Let's work on our changes and.
Exactly.
Okay, we're not at 80% yet on our chicken
But
wings.
CJ just had a great idea off camera.
lightning has just struck my brain. Well, that must hurt.
I'm
I
not hijacking anything.
obviously had this idea. I'm making a nod to my own recipe with my pollo asado, which was
A winkin', blinkin', and nod.
exactly.
Dude, that is... you're not going to get that.
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope.
What's the yap?
Oh, is it? No.
Get us a minute.
Winking, blinking, and nod one night.
Wow, dude, that is interesting.
Yeah.
So let's go over here.
Oh, this is such a great, unique idea.
Dude, shut up. Go away. You know what? Somebody else take this
I'm
camera.
complimenting you.
Yeah, sure you are.
Oh, you're squeezing it on?
I'm gonna squeeze some oranges.
I have an idea.
What's your idea, Nate?
That was a good one.
He's good. I got some limes.
Okay.
Got a few more oranges. Gonna let them cook for a minute though.
Okay.
Not gonna squeeze them yet.
Gee, can't take a compliment, guy.
Dude, no, you're just trying to hijack my idea. Thank you. My ideas.
Okay.
What do you mean, K? Yeah.
Good idea.
I know. That's why I came up with it.
Okay.
Go back and watch my Pollo Asado episode. You'll see what I'm talking
It was
about.
great.
I know.
I don't understand what's
You know what?
happening.
We need a timeout.
You're an excellent human. You're a great person.
And a wonderful uncle.
Thank you, Ethan.
And a better friend.
Oh, do me out of a joke, right? What's the matter?
About every 3 or 4 minutes, we're gonna start tossing our chicken and the fruit around. Oh, speaking of tossing this around, check out the new spatulas. Griddle.
Oh, those are cool, right?
Dude, Griddle week. It's
fan.
it's a rock star week, and we've got some rad spatulas to go with it. Now, fun pro tip: as you're seasoning and as you're squeezing juice and doing this whole process, put some of the chicken on top of the fruit.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it cooks residually with the heat, but it's
Steams
not
in
gonna
the
be
juice?
burning. Yeah, and it's gonna get all that lovely juice and sweetness with it.
Dig it.
Dude, I think we're done. We're gonna put this in just a large bowl, so I'm taking the fruit
Betty
with me.
style?
I'm
Family
taking
style?
the fruit with me, my friend. Yes, definitely.
I like it.
Now, we made this wonderful ranch, garlic mojo ranch cilantro. We made this awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. It's got to go on top of there. We've got some cilantro and then, of course, a post dust.
Dude.
With the Blackstone
masterpiece.
garlic mojo.
Gorgeous.
This is a masterpiece. Let's get into it. Bro, the aroma of these, like just sitting right here, taking it in, incredible.
Breathe it in, fellas.
Take it all in, fellas.
It's gorgeous. I like that you served it with the fruit.
Oh, thank you.
The fruit.
The fruit is it's a good call. I'm glad I had that idea.
Yes. I'm complimenting you. Jeez.
Leave it in the comments. Is he actually complimenting me?
I
Yes.
don't like when you guys fight.
Speechless?
These are the best wings I've ever made. These are the best wings I've ever had.
Mm.
I'm not even kidding.
Whoa.
Bro, you know, only thing that can make these better,
What?
More ranch.
I was gonna say flats. Crazy, crazy flavor.
Loco?
Loco flavor.
Loco Mojo.
It's important that you get all of the crust built first.
Yep.
Then,
Oh yeah, if you do the sugar too soon,
now then you're burnt.
that's a pro move.
So cook it to like 85%. Then you start seasoning there at the end. Also, fun thing, putting all that fruit on the base.
Fruit?
Fruit, yeah.
Putting the chicken on top.
What kind of fruit?
Any kind of fruit?
Mangoes, pineapple.
It isn't like there's safe fruits and then there's unsafe fruit.
Any kind of fruit.
Favorite fruit? Citrus fruit.
Let me know how I did.
What about French fries?
But speaking of comments, my friends, it is now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Hey guys, I'm glad that you guys are here. Welcome, welcome. This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you
made
the
it.
viewers, because if you write it,
We reads it.
That's right. So leave comments, good and bad. We read them.
People that don't like you, they left a long time ago. They have no idea we're about to read their comments for the whole world to see.
Yeah, exactly. Oh.
Roll.
Roll. Eating my Scooby snacks over there. All right, so this
That was good. That was good.
this comes in from Phil Stadola.
Connors? Phil?
Now, don't you tell me you don't remember me, because I sure as heck fire remember you.
Connors? Phil?
Phil. Enchiladas look great. Cut to Mr. Deeds Butler.
I'm with you.
On ruling them enchiladas.
Nice.
I did not see that Mr. Rogers burn coming. CJ, please do not start off the next show by changing your shoes.
Won't you be my neighbor?
Would be fine though. We might end it that way.
Nice on the Mr.
We
Rogers.
shall see.
No
Phil,
on the enchiladas. The enchiladas-ish.
you liked them. Don't listen
They were
to him.
good. They were great.
I know.
Were really enchiladas?
You tell me what an enchilada is.
It's gotta have sauce.
It had sauce, barbecue sauce.
It's gotta be like bathed.
Now
in
I'm
sauce.
cutting this. King Stewie.
Stuart.
6789 says, if this is the new Blackstone Griddle norm, I need to unsubscribe. The
Ouch.
recipe looks good, but you're all over the place. I don't know, like, it's the norm. It is who I am.
This is the show.
This is the show. It's not any other way. And it's been
Stewie.
happening for almost 4 years now.
Henry, broccoli, you're good for me, but I'm no good for you.
The broccoli must die.
Mom, mommy,
Mommy.
mom.
What? Hi.
All right, this is from Claymation.
Oh, Clay
with
Aiken?
a K. Yes.
Oh, that's a great singer.
Clay Aiken. Dude, give it up for 2002.
Okay.
Claymation with a K says, if you could just stick with the cooking and leave the not so funny nor relatable cutscenes on the cutting room floor, this channel might suck less.
Wow. The whole channel?
The whole channel.
You have one show on the channel.
Uh-huh.
The whole channel sucks because of you, CJ.
You're welcome. Claymation. More like okay, this was just on the reel on Instagram. This wasn't even like my full episode. And this came from obviously is the person's name, I guess. Says this got worse and worse as it went along.
Which episode?
It was the cowboy stir fry.
Oh, the cowboy. That was a great, beautiful pile of food.
I like to think that it was a glorious mound.
Yeah.
Which one sounds worse? That's not the one I want then. Mound or pile?
I don't know.
What?
Dune?
I see plans within plans.
Okay, so this is a twofer.
Oh, I love
And
the
it's also on the cowboy stirfer.
The
Stirfer. Man. The cowboy stir fry. Jody Ann says, oh man, that looks tasty.
Nice.
You are right. And right below it, raw steak.
Raw?
You have to watch the full episode to understand that I cooked it rare because I reintroduced it back to the griddle so that we would have a pro cook.
Yep.
And I did. And it was awesome.
Yeah.
And we loved it.
Jody knows.
Jody knows.
Jody knows.
Yes, she does. But Scotty doesn't.
I just can't do it, Captain.
I didn't have the power!
All right, this is from Eric Masters 4982. Eric
Eric?
says, E.T.'s finger and your finger have uncanny similarity.
Oh my god.
Makes me wonder how well he would do with the Blackstone and what he might prep with some Reese's Pieces.
Wow.
Or are they Reese's Pieces?
No. Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces. I don't know.
Kyle Reese. E.T. Phone home.
Elliot.
Oh, God! Elliot. What?
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. For the few, the proud,
The ugly.
the not so plenty. I was talking about the viewers.
They're awesome.
Glad that you stuck around, even though Nate was just dissing you.
I wasn't.
Whatever. Go to griddlenation.com if you want to get some sweet swag. Also go to blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone related. If you want to get something up on the OG board, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. In the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
And we make delicious garlic mojo chicken wings.
Most of the time, it's delicious. Almost all the time. Like 99.
Whatever.
Secure!